how to make money with your thank you page. So all these companies in the marketplace, whether it's e-commerce, it's lead gen, they're driving traffic to their sites. They're getting a user to take some sort of action, either filling out a form, becoming a lead, or they're buying something. But all of these people are landing on a thank you page. And that's an opportunity for you to generate ancillary revenue. So we have a product called ClickX Thank You, where we provide a widget with relevant keywords for thank you pages. So what will happen is, as an example, let's say that a lifestyle coach is driving traffic to their challenge. After they get the user to sign up, whether they pay or not, and they land on that confirmation page, what we do is we provide a widget that says, hey, here's other offers that may interest you. They're gonna be able to then see these different keywords that are relevant to that person. If they click on any of those, we're gonna end up generating revenue. We split that revenue with that lifestyle coach. So the lifestyle coach, all they're doing is just allowing us to market to their person that they're done with. So we're generating revenue for them. It's free money. We make money, they make money. It's a beautiful world. So if you're interested in making money on your confirmation page or your thank you page, hit me up and I will help you make ancillary revenue.